Yes, we're talking about
Ladies and gentlemen,
in America.
Onye
We're
Igbo,
talking about our children go home, go home.
Vida,
And I met
Umagodo,
just meeting one of
Kekante,
our
ndị na-abroad.
you know him.
Achọghị m ikwu ọtụtụ okwu n'ihu
And I'm
onyonyo a.
asking him this question now.
Lee ya,
Listen for his
watch
own
this
response.
video.
Answer.
Yes, sir.
Well done, sir.
Thank you.
Hello, Timene. How you doing for our English audience? How are you, sir? Yeah, you know, we're talking about our African American parents,
Right,
who want that their children to go home, and you said something. So, what is your take on that?
well, my take is you can imagine us that have been here decades, hardly for us to decide to go home and stay. I mean, we can go home, visit, and come back here. That's just the way it is. But the kids, I'm very, very sure they're not going back there. They will not. They are here, they are born here, they are raised here. This is their place.
So all the mansion, the billions and multi-millions we are spending to build mansions in the villages and cities, because most people here, they are working, they are not taking off, they are not taking day in, day out. Every of the money they make, they go invest in Africa. So what is your take on those buildings that even we hardly go there to live?
Yeah, we need those houses for us, not for the children. The children are not coming there to join you there. This is just the way we are brought up. We like to have something showing for us. It's not for your children, it's for you. Because if you think those children will go there and stay in that house, I don't know about your children. Maybe you're lucky, but in the taking, I'm not sure they're going to go back there and stay. That's not possible.
For real, it's not possible. So in other words, if anybody want to build something that is so moderate,
that's right.
You don't need to spend too much money to build a house.
No, you need the accommodation, that's it.
Right?
You need accommodation.
Only accommodation, right? That even when you want to go home, you can maintain it. It's not going to be difficult.
Exactly. Because you build those houses.
Come on.
You build those mansions, stay 1 month, 2 months, come back here.
Yeah, this is our brother from Sierra Leone. So Abdul, what's your take on that?
As for me, I told my family, I get my 5 bedroom with a flat. I go there, I live my life, I come back. As long as I don't go here, I wait for parents, for people, have my dependable car. I can go home and decide not to call America and say I'm happy.
Hey, Bill.
Here and quiet.
So you don't want, you don't need too much.
We don't need too much mansion. We American, we don't need too much. We have seen too much in America. What do we need again? We have seen everything in this world. What do we need?
That is good for the people that is here.
Yes.
It's good for the people out there. We don't need too much because I've seen too much.
Hey, Bill.
Because if you have money, money talks. You get basketball players, you get musicians. These guys swimming millions. We don't have nothing. No. We have nothing to boast of. We just need to maintain our African culture.
So you're in other words, you're saying people should concentrate more on where they live, where they stay.
It's not like that. Home is home.
Yeah.
Home is home. I love my home. If I have the opportunity to today, I will leave America and go live in my village. I love home. I don't amount
but with the current condition now, as American citizen you are,
Ụmụ
nwoke
akwụọla ọkụkọ aka tiere ọkụkọ akụ.
One day go to live in Sierra Leone.
It doesn't matter.
Do you think?
If they
Kpọọla aka tiere ọkụkọ akụ.
Because
if they want, they can visit.
If they want.
If they want.
That's optional.
But I will not compelling them to visit.
Okotorigba.
They are on their own, we are on our own. The culture is different.
Chai!
You can't compel them. If they want to come, if you want them to come, they say we don't come. You don't have a choice.
You don't have a choice. You can't force them.
You can't force them. You can't force them.
So that's your take on that, right?
Yeah, that's my take.
So you're saying parents should, whatever they do, they should always remember their old age.
The only thing
save for their old age.
Everything, the children you born here, if you have a single penny, give it to them, support them to achieve their own dream is fine. But don't count on them for your own age. Protect yourself.
For your old age, right?
For your old. Don't count on any children you born in this country. They don't give a fuck about you. It's only about themselves and their mothers, especially when you are divided, you are separated. You might be lucky you're living together, but when you have children in this country, you are separated, Just do the best as a father, if that's in your culture.
Save you, because your old age is very, very important.
Your old age more important. Don't spend too much on the, just do the best you can for them, but concentrate on yourself, on your old age.
So what about children that take their parents to go and keep them in the
Hey.
despite all the parents did for them when they were young?
But you know, that's the system here, man.
It's the system.
You
The
cannot.
system. You can't blame the
that's
children.
how it
The
is,
system.
bro.
They're working all the clock.
Okotorigba.
It's the system. They're working.
Remember, those kids have to go to work.
They have to go to work. They have to pay
They
their
have
bill.
to. They have their life to live, right?
They have their life to live.
Chọọchị ume na-agwa abala.
They have their own family to run.
Chọọchị ume na-agwa
They
abala.
never take you to nursing home. So you better prepare for your old age in
So,
Africa.
so that's your final say, right? So, Bosman, that's what you say, that everybody.
Me, I'm talking, I've been in America for 25 years.
You've been
okay?
in America 25 years.
25 years. I'm talking out of experience. It's not fake. I'm
And
talking out of experience.
That's correct.
That's how the system works.
And you've been in
Whether
America
you take
for
your
more than.
leave.
You've been in America for about 20 years too.
More than that.
It's more than 20 years, right?
Sir, more than that.
And the system is the same yesterday, today.
Ụmụ nwoke agala enyo anyị jee zọrọ azọrọ.
Come on now. The case is for here. We have gotten to know that they are not going with us.
Agha adịdịnị.
It's hard, bro.
Even some of them, even when their parents get old and join the ancestors, even to go for a funeral is even.
Ameshiene.
Even what you say, people that have those big houses back home, they visit 1 month.
Ameshiene.
2 weeks
They
sometimes.
come back here. All those spirits, all those blacks, all those ants.
We are the landlord.
Yeah.
That's the real landlord.
Yeah. So you know.
Okay, good to see you, bro.